Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix slow charging issue on Samsung M35 device. Well, slow charging can impact your productivity, especially if you rely on your device for work, communication, or task management. So, fixing slow charging problems ensures that your device is charged efficiently, allowing you to stay productive and efficient in your daily tasks. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To ensure optimal charging and battery performance, begin by verifying that the charger and cable being used are original and in good condition. Okay, next, conserve battery usage by putting unused apps to sleep, limiting their impact on battery life. Well, proceed by opening the settings menu on your device. So, scroll down and then select the device care option. And within this menu, navigate to the battery section and tap on background usage limit. So, enable the option put unused apps to sleep to minimize battery drain from apps that are not frequently used. Okay, and then to further enhance charging efficiency, activate fast charging on your device. Okay, return to the previous page and select charging settings. So, turn on the fast charging option to enable rapid charging capabilities, ensuring quick and efficient charging of your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix slow charging issue on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.